In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly format your text in a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation using bullets and numbering. This can really make your slides look organized and professional, which is especially crucial when you're trying to communicate information clearly and effectively. So let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. Make sure that you've got your presentation file handy and open it up on your screen. Navigate to the slide where you wish to add or format text. Having your content ready beforehand makes the following steps smoother and more efficient. Now that you're inside your presentation, focus your attention on the top menu. Specifically, we're going to be working under the Home tab. This is where you'll find a variety of tools to help you format your text. Take a moment to locate it if you're not familiar with the layout. Within the Home tab, you'll want to direct your attention to the Paragraph section. This section is your one-stop shop for all things related to text formatting, such as alignment, line spacing, and of course, our focus today, bullets and numbering. It's an essential tool set for anyone looking to make their presentations more digestible. Next, let's talk about the icons you need to find. Look for a symbol that consists of vertical dots with lines on either side. This icon represents bullets in PowerPoint. Clicking on it will allow you to add bullet points to your text, which can be particularly useful for listing items or organizing information in a concise way. Adjacent to the bullet logo, you'll notice another icon that looks like numbers next to lines. Clicking this icon is how you'll add numbering to your text. This is perfect for ordered lists. Clicking on it is straightforward and will instantly transform your text into a numbered format, maintaining the order for a more structured presentation. Once you've clicked on these icons and applied them to your text, take a moment to review your work. Ensure that bullets or numbers appear as intended and that your information reads as you planned. This review step is vital to catching any minor adjustments you might need before finalizing your slide. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively format your PowerPoint slides using bullets and numbers to enhance clarity and professionalism. This little bit of formatting can make a huge difference in how your audience receives and processes the information you're sharing. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in upping your presentation game.